Hello, today we'll be making winter special baked vegetables in white sauce. So first of all, cut all the vegetables into small pieces. You can use bell peppers, cauliflower, broccoli, baby corn, boiled potato, carrots, onions, and throw some corn and peas into the mix. Now we will saute the vegetables in olive oil for about 5 minutes. Some salt and pepper to taste. Now keep mixing the vegetables constantly at high flame for about 5 minutes. Now cover the pot and let it cook for another 5 minutes on low flame. Once the broccoli has turned a nice vibrant green, you'll know that the vegetables have cooked. So turn off the gas and keep the vegetables aside for a while. Now for the white sauce, add 2 tablespoons of butter to a pan. Once the butter melts, add 1 tablespoon oregano and 1 tablespoon chili. To this, add 1 tablespoon maida and 1 tablespoon corn flour. Whisk it until it turns into a nice golden brown color. Let the base cook for a minute. Slowly add 1.5 cup of milk. Mix it properly to avoid any lumps. Cover it and let it cook for 5 minutes on medium flame. Add another half cup of milk to it and give it a good whisk. Let it cook for another 5 minutes. Add salt and pepper to taste. The white sauce is ready. Now to the vegetables, add in the white sauce. Transfer them to the baking dish. Sprinkle generously with cheese. I'm using a mixture of mozzarella and cheddar cheese. Bake the vegetables at 220 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. The baked vegetables in white sauce is ready now. Enjoy!